You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. This is the plural of the word albergue from Spanish, meaning hostel or auberge, as we would say. So this is in Spanish, and that's the plural. The Spanish pronunciation is albergues, not albergues. If you cannot pronounce Spanish, you can say albergues. Albergues from Spanish, albergues. How to pronounce albergues. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.